Good morning and happy morning to you. This is Wil.Daria of the New York Power Couple. What's going on? How are you this morning? I hope you are up on the right side of your bed, right side of your mind, right side of your life, and you're about ready to take charge and create something amazing today. As I've been doing for the past 33 days, today is day 34th, I have been reading from this awesome magnified magnet book of nuggets, Iyanla Vanzant, Acts of Faith. And I am in day 34. And it reads as following. The most scarce place isn't the church, the mosque, or the temple. It's the temple of the body. That's where the Spirit lives. This is by none other than Susan Taylor. Wow. Take a moment to check on your body. Deeply inhale and exhale. Let your mind flow through your body. Check in on your feet, legs, hips. Let your mind roam your abdomen, your chest, your back. Scan your neck, shoulders, arms. What are you feeling? Fear, exhaustion, tension, anxiety, anger, guilt, shame. Inhale, exhale. Where are you feeling it? Legs, back, neck, chest, wherever it is, whatever it is, you are the only mechanic who can fine-tune your body. With a simple breath, you can release the stress and replace it with what you need. Turn your anxiety into peace, anger into joy, tension into love, fear into faith, guilt into trust. Take a moment right now and give yourself a tune-up. When I am in tune with my body, I relax and release the stress. Oh my goodness. We live in a world that is on a collision course with self-care. It seems that everything that we see on television is opposite of self-care. And depending on where you live in this great country of ours, you see a lot of negativity. You deal with a lot of negativity. And we don't have much outlets in terms of how to de-stress the stress. We have fast food chains in our neighborhood, some of us. We got liquor stores in our homes, some of us. We got storefront churches all over the places. And now you don't need to be in a neighborhood. You got social media, and a lot of the stuff that we see pitched on social media is not about edification. So at this reading, I hope that you saw some options here. The power of breath. In fact, think about it. Anytime you're feeling any anxiety, if you just instantly you'll feel relaxed. If it doesn't impact you initially, do it again. Keep taking the deep breaths until you can calm yourself down. So many of us have been running the rat race. That's going to take a minute or two for you to calm down. That's all I got for you this morning. Please enjoy. If you want to catch the previous 33 days, do a hashtag The Power Couple, or hashtag Ask Willie and Daria, or hashtag Our Mindset. God bless. See you tomorrow.